We guide you through how to register a Revolut account in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to download Revolut app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then open it and tap sign up. Enter your active mobile number and verify it using the code sent via SMS. Next, provide your email address and create a secure password. Follow the on-screen prompt to enter your personal details including your full legal name, date of birth, home address, and nationality. Make sure all information matches your valid government-issued ID because you need to complete identity verification. When prompted, upload a clear photo of your ID such as passport or driver's license. Then take a quick selfie for official verification. After submitting, wait a few minutes while Revolt reviews your details. Once approved, set your PIN ID or PIN password, enabled biometric login if available, and choose your preferred plan. And finally, add funds to your account using a debit card or bank transfer so you can start sending money, exchange currency, and using your virtual card immediately. So that's it.